Good morning, guys. It's been a while since we've had an episode of Shop Saturday, but we have found some time to finally do some work in the shop. But first, we're going to run through a few of the tools we have bought since the last time. We've put off buying any tools for a long time, and we finally made some purchases. So we'll do a few product reviews today. Now, with it being cold, it's important to be able to stay warm in the shop. Here we don't have a furnace. A lot of people do heat their shops with wood stoves though. So we have purchased a hammer. Probably wondering what the heck how are you gonna heat your shop with a hammer? Well, we have also purchased, which I'm really excited about. Let me show you here. We gotta go outside for this. So we have also purchased one of these Kindling Crackers. So it's just a forged steel. Basically it's got an axe blade right here and then a ring so that when you can sit the firewood in there and split it. So let me show you how it's gonna work. We gotta get some wood. So let me put you down here for a second. I gotta go get my saw. We're gonna go get our piece of wood that we've had out in the nature's little kiln drying for the last 5 or 6 years. We've been waiting for the perfect time to harvest. All right, so there she is. And because I don't have a chainsaw, we're just gonna use our rigid battery-powered sawzall. All right, so I'm just gonna cut it up into pieces real quick, and then we'll catch back up later. Okay, so now we're gonna start to split it. This is very simple, very easy. Let me get the shot set up here. Okay, so basically, you take your chunk of wood and you sit it in the ring like that. And then you just take your hammer and then you just hit it. And then it splits it. And then you can take it, put it back on there, and then you can split it again. So it works fairly simple. Works really nice. Let me get you a closer look here. So here we go. So we have our half cut piece of wood. Let me turn it this way. You put it on there, you hit it so it sticks. And then you don't have to worry about hitting your hand with the axe or banging your fingers. So easy. And this was actually designed by a 13-year-old, I believe, New Zealand girl for a school project. So nice. So look at the kindling we got. We got a little piece of wood, and you can keep chopping it up to make it smaller and smaller, as small as you need. So if you want some real little pieces to start your fire, and you can split it right down to toothpick size if you wanted. But if you have to deal with firewood, you would really appreciate this little tool here. And you can take already split firewood, like Like if you buy your firewood and it's split already, but it's kind of big, you can just sit it in here and chop it up into the kindling. We like to use this for our campfires in the summertime. So it's nice to have the little pieces to start little fires for when you just want to, so when you just want to roast a few marshmallows you can. But look how quick I cut off those pieces of wood. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely makes it a lot easier to cut the kindling up. Get a little different angle on it, splitting it up. So here's a piece that's not super dry and it's got bark and stuff on it, but yeah, it splits it right up. And you can see how tall it is. It's just as tall as the Kindling Cracker and it cracks it right up. But I will leave a link down in the description below so you can pick up your own Kindling Cracker. See if we can get one shot from the top here of splitting something up. Ready? See if I can do this. Ready?